What's going on, kids? LA Nick at Mid-Ohio swap meet, motorcycle swap meet. And I've been walking around all day in the blazing sun. It's cooking. And I haven't found anything great except this one bike. And the guy he wants to sell it, but he doesn't want to sell it. But I'm going to try to get it. So there's a lot of nice bikes here. Look, beautiful little Honda CL70, 2,600 bucks. That ain't a bad price actually. Nice little Yamaha. You don't see these Yamahas very often. Nice Triumph. The Lord's Riverside. But here's the bike I'm looking at right here. This is a Rumi, and you followed me at the to the Rumi mansion when we went there in Italy, and it's a pretty nice bike. It's missing a couple pieces, but it's there. It exists. It's something I wouldn't mind having. You know me, it's right up my alley. So, let's see what else we got here. A little Ducati, an Ariel, the Matchless. The Ariel, he said, runs. I want 6,500 bucks for it. A little too much for me. Let's see what else we got around here. Honda 750. Suzuki. No, he said he. Hey, you little American people! You are allowed! A lot of bikes, man. A lot of bikes. A lot of bikes, a lot of parts. And it's friggin' hot out. I'm dying. Wearing all black, black hair, black hat, black shirt. Just cooking. Uh-oh. There we go. Someone messaged me and my screen went black. There's a Hidaka. I just sold my Hidaka. Yamaha TT. Someone already bought it. Yamaha. I haven't seen any really unique stuff. But I go to Imola, and Imola's got all the unique stuff. These ratted out Honda Dreams. Real deal. Cannonball Dave. Oh, these things are pieces of art. Damn, is it hot. Very hot day. There was a bunch of H2s. H1s, H2s. I even seen a Kawasaki GTO. So you don't usually see in the States. Nice looking Suzuki. Too much money though. $5 grand. It's nice though. It's not $5 grand nice though. It's just not. Buy a West Cooley replica for that kind of money. What do we got over here? I see unique. I like unique. I like the oddballs. I don't know what it is. I don't know what that is. Super 5. Florent? No, not never. Don't know what that means. Florent. I never heard of it. It's neat. NSU. Definitely a neat piece. Got no price on it. I like it. I don't know what I'd do with it, but I do like it. Yamaha 175. There's a Greaves. You don't see too many Greaves with a Village motor. 3,200 bucks though. That's all the money for that. But it's neat though. You can't find them everywhere. You don't see one every day. Not for sale, not for sale. I don't know why people bring bikes and put them out, but not for sale. Here at Swap Meet, we're selling bikes. This place is massive, it goes on forever. It's tough to walk around. I was on my bike, but I can't really video on bike. I was looking at this little Yamaha. the guy said he'd make me a good deal on it because I had this bike and I sold it for $3,000. And that's what he wants for this one, $3,000. It does have the wrong rear fender, and it has no paperwork, so can't title it. But I'll wait till Sunday. Maybe I can get it for $2,500.
Try to keep it going home.
This thing's really clean, like immaculately clean. But he's asking all the money for it, $5,500. But it's pretty clean. But it's all the money. All the money. Alright, well, I'm gonna shoot a little bit more, and I gotta get out of the sun, man. It's cooking me. I'm not a big high heat guy. I like a little chill in the air. So I hate the shade, but the sun's brutal.
I got it in the museum, and I was like, where's my bike? So I got my camera out and I zoomed in.
Let's see what we got. Oh, there's a Goozy. She's crusty though. Crusty Goozy, man. A little too crusty. $600. Yamaha chopper. Someone's got a lot of work in that. I actually seen him riding it earlier. Not for sale. This is a lot of dirt bikes. A lot of people are dirt bike crazy here. Dirt bikes are getting to be big money though, man. There's dirt bikes, vintage dirt bikes selling for in the teens. Nice clean Trail 70. I think that's one of those V-Pops though. It's clean. There you go. 500. Pretty clean. Pretty nicely done. Some nice mods, steering stabilizer, carbs, rear suspension, chambers. It's pretty sweet. Not something you see every day. Nice fat back tire too, man. Usually they don't put, people put, oh, the guy's got a custom swing arm on it. That's how he stuffed that tire on there. Seen there's a guy over there with like 10 H2s and he didn't want to sell any of them. I'm like, why did you bring them here? You don't want to sell them. Don't understand that logic. Alright guys, I'm gonna put my phone away. Oh, is that a KZ1300? That's a KZ1300. I've been looking for a KZ1300. Is it? No, it ain't. Sorry. KZ1000. I want a KZ1300, the 6-cylinder. I don't see them in America. Everywhere in Europe. You don't see them in the States, man. $2,500. Best offer. No title, that's why. Some Makos. Nice looking Mako right there. $500. Could be yours. Today. Hi, puppy. Hi, pup. Hi, pup. Hi. Hi there. Hi there. All dogs love me, so. Got some good prices on this stuff. A lot of people got some crazy prices on it. I mean, it's a nice bike for $2,500. I mean, it is a nice bike, $500. All right, guys, I will show you more later. Ciao.